I came for the new rules of the Medicare.
Okay. Well, we can talk about those. The changes that are going to come in 2010.
Yeah.
Nobody knows.
Oh, you don't have anything to tell.
There are some changes that are being that are part of the MIPA Act that I talked about before. Those are pretty minor. Those are sort of technical changes. Plan that they're going to start creating parity between the co-pays for mental health care, and regular Part B, Part B medical care.
Read about that later.
Well, the MIPA changes are not. Those are different than what's being talked about in the news. Are nobody knows. The rules for Medicare basically aren't changing that much. There are some minor changes that will come. One is that there will be no cost of living increase to your Social Security.
Oh, well,
so,
that I know.
So but the Part B premium is going to go up for people who retire in 2010. So for people who become 65 or become eligible for Medicare because they're disabled after their waiting period, if they become eligible for Medicare in 2010, their premium is going to be higher than yours, which isn't going to change.
I'm not worried.
But other than that, nobody really knows if healthcare reform gets through, and the only bill that's really of any consequence right now is H.R. 3200, and that bill is not really, it doesn't change much, and it certainly doesn't deal with Medicare, or it doesn't really mandate that many changes to Medicare, if any.
Thank you.
It's really, there's really not much that's going to change unless, some, miracle happens between now and December. As far as the Medicare plans go, we will know the changes, the costs, and the premium changes, if any, sometime in late October. We'll know what the plan. By late October, all of the plans have to submit their costs, and their all their things have to be approved before November 1st. So we'll know if and you'll probably get a letter in the mail if your plan decides to change the drug formulary or decides to change any coverages that it offers. They'll send you a letter probably before the end of the year. And you'll have a chance between November 15th and December 31st to change your plan.
Thank you, David.